Manufacturing inspection data is both time-consuming to collect and challenging to accurately analyze and report. Quality teams often waste hours chasing scattered results from inspectors and CMM operators. Even after results have been collected, this data still requires manual transcription in order to analyze or report, costing additional time and introducing potential errors. Now, there's a better way. HiQA's quality management platform provides a centralized database for all of your inspection data, analytics, and reports, no matter how or when they're collected. Our suite of data collection apps interface directly with digital gauges, barcode scanners, and human input in order to aggregate inspection results right from the shop floor. Working with automated inspection equipment, HiQA's advanced import engine pulls result data from CMMs and vision systems automatically. That way, all inspection results are visible in real time as soon as they're collected. Our built-in analytics, reporting, and dashboard tools provide immediate visual feedback for progress across the manufacturing lifecycle. In-process inspection results can be monitored in real time to identify undesirable trends, make necessary adjustments, and prevent problems before they occur. If a feature doesn't pass inspection, NCRs can be immediately generated, and automated alerts keep your management teams informed, no matter where they are. All of these tools add up to one incredible result: accurate and actionable inspection data in a fraction of the time. Our clients report an average 5 to 10 times efficiency increase, meaning projects that took 10 business days to complete are now finished in just 1. Empower your teams with the tools they need to succeed. Contact a HiQA quality specialist today.